Check out these adventures. We had a scrimmage. Just to warn you, it was extremely windy.
Hello. Happy Monday.
That was an awkward hello. Hello.
I don't like
Hello.
Hi guys, how are you?
I don't like Monday.
Monday Bum Day. Wait, yeah.
School and work.
It's Monday, but where are we headed?
A scrimmage.
The scrimmage.
Baseball.
We had a team cancel on us. We were going to scrimmage the pilots, but they canceled on us. So now we're scrimmaging the 10U. Good job, Bubba. Good job, bud. Good job.
Hey, good job, buddy.
Yeah, you good? Hey, look at
You know where you're at?
Close, Bubba, close. Good eye, Mace.
Good job, Landon.
Hello, Bubba.
Hello.
What you got going on here?
My plant cell project.
It's a science project already?
Yeah, and it has to be a 3D model.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we can't do it today. We have to go to like the store or something to get more supplies.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go to the store to get some more, but we're trying to do some of it today and we'll do some of it tomorrow. That's what you're doing, a plant cell?
Yes, and then it doesn't name these, but we'll probably do it like spaghetti and beans.
So mommy needs to go to the store and get some spaghetti and some beans.
And we're gonna eat spaghetti on like.
We'll eat spaghetti for dinner tomorrow.
Yeah.
So you can have some noodles.
Yeah, for the project. The project.
So we'll show them when it's all done, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna throw the noodle at the wall to see if it sticks, because that's the test, if it's ready. So let's see. Not gonna be that good. Oh, I missed. Let's try that again. Okay, try two. Mommy.
Ready?
They're ready.
Stuff to go off?
Yeah. Now you eat it.
No.
Well, not this one, but the other ones. But this one goes in the trash. Oh, as you saw, we are making pasta for dinner. So here is the food.
Man, why did we have to have pasta though? Why did we have to have pasta?
Because I needed little pasta, these
Noodles.
noodles.
Don't show them yet. We'll show them
No.
the finished product. We still have to finish.
And as we told you, here is the finishing project of my plant cell.
Good, buddy.
Yeah, so that's the nucleus right there. And the blue just right here is the cytoplasm. Then the chloroplast is these little things. That's my plant cell.
Are you sure the nucleus isn't Grover from Sesame Street?
Kind of looks
I'm
like...
Grover!
Yeah, it's...
Now you need to feed your fish.
I do?
Look, he's hungry.
That fish is always hungry, let's be honest.
Try to show him the fish eating all the food real fast.
Watch this. He eats 2-in-1s usually.
Pig.
Nah, he's bold.
He's hungry. It's dinner time.
I like when his gills go out.
You eat dinner.
It looks cool.
No, he gets to eat dinner.
And there's one right there. Yeah.
Did you get them all?
You kind of have to point if he doesn't find it. Like, you have to point like that.
You love your fish?
Yeah. Bold. Now it's your time to see what happens when the Bevos, whatever they do, when a baseball game gets rained out. Look at all of this rain. As you can see, it's all over our porch and stuff. So, hold
You're
scared.
supposed to be going to play baseball.
Yeah. Maybe not. Maybe we'll get rained out.
We had major monsoon at our house. Right, Bubba? You filmed a little bit of it? But we're driving to baseball and...
Don't jinx it. Don't jinx it.
So far, it looks pretty
You blew it.
good.
Now it's gonna rain. She blew it.
But I see blue sky.
I see blue skies.
So we're gonna try to play some baseball tonight, right, bud? And hopefully not get rained out again. Like the wood bat tournament.
Yeah, we'll see. It's been a long time since we played a game against another team that wasn't our own.
I know.
I'm ready for a game, like a real game. Oh, did you get it?
Maybe our camera won't pick it up. Did it lightning?
No.
I don't know. Can't tell.
The dogs.
Ooh, there it is. Now I got some. Stay away. Well, what happened, bud?
Got rained out.
Again. We just drove an hour and rain.
The good news is now we get to turn around and drive home.
Well, I guess we get to go have dinner now.
Yay!
Let's go.
Got rained out, so stop and get some dinner. This place is fish. Oh yeah, garlic. Cheese. Gotta have cheese. And do we want red peppers? Yeah, why not? Why not? You got pizza on your face. Pizza on your face. So Mommy challenged Mason to the $5 claw machine challenge. So $5, grab every prize you can. Oh, that would have been a good start here.
I got the Cookie Monster though.
Ah, dude. Woo-hoo. Nice. All right, let's see Cookie. Cookie.
Wait.
All right, buddy, show me what you got. Cookie Monster. Hello. Good job, brother.
It's not that good.
This claw, to be fair, this claw was challenging. It didn't really want to cooperate. Get you next time, claw. Why are you so angry, bird? So Mason, what do you call this on top of there?
Huh?
What do you call that?
This?
Yes.
Sprinkles?
Sprinkles? No, they're jimmies.
Jimmies.
No, they're sprinkles. They're jimmies. Leave a comment if you call them jimmies and not sprinkles. How come you didn't get them cookies?
See this for cookie?
You got the ice cream to match cookie.
What?
Cookie?
Cookie
Got
Monster,
sprinkles
not
in ours
improved.
too.
They're jimmies, not sprinkles.
Jimmy sprinkles.
I got Jimmy's.
Kid is hurt.
That's this guy in the Eagles hat. I bet he calls them jimmies.
Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment on the comment section. Don't forget to check the eye in the sky for more awesome Bevo adventures. That's mouth-watering. And don't forget to check 1 year ago. 1 year ago. Do it right now. Don't forget to check out next time's adventures. And more awesome Bevo adventures. And more, and more, and more, and more, and more.